Comica unveils shotgun mic with wireless transmitter. The CVM-VM30 is the first shotgun mic with built-in wireless capabilities. Comica has announced the Comica CVM-VM30, which it says is the first consumer shotgun microphone to come with a built-in wireless transmitter built directly into the microphone, which can beam the audio to a separate receiver. Shotgun microphones are among the most frequently used microphones around. They offer high-quality sound recording with excellent noise isolation and are often the first choice for interviews and direct-to-camera video. However, they tend to be lacking in basic wireless functionality, often requiring complicated DIY wireless systems, where the audio has to be simultaneously recorded externally and synced along to the video later during the editing process. The VM30 is a super cardioid condenser shotgun mic and can be used in the traditional wired method or over a 2.4 GZ wireless connection. The microphone has a wireless range of up to 100 meters in open areas, and Comica claims the signal can still reach up to 20 m even in obstructed environments. The wired and wireless modes can be used at the same time, offering greater flexibility for recording options, though it still limits the placement of the microphone. Features include a high 48 kHz or 24-bit sampling rate, gain control, a safety mode to prevent unwanted loud peak sounds, real-time monitoring, muting plus a 75 or 150 Hz two-stage low-cut filter, and high-frequency boost functions. It's powered by a built-in rechargeable lithium battery that can last up to 50 hours in wired mode and 7 hours in wireless mode. The VM30 is supplied with a shock mount and a wind muff, and the mic's full metal body blocks external interference. Up top there is an OLED screen that displays signal status, gain level, battery power, audio dynamics, and more, which are also shown on the receiver's IPS LCD screen display. The Comica VM30 is available to buy now, priced at £199 or $189.